Once you have configured the hardware setup, you need to install the latest NVIDIA drivers. Under the NVIDIA control panel, you need to go into the stereoscopic 3D section, and you will be presented with this menu where you need to run a test. So you run the setup wizard, and then NVIDIA reminds you again what are the requirements that you need to have a 3D Vision compatible setup. And it gives you three choices of the menu where you can select. It is best to select the recommended settings, as it asks you if you are in a computer room where you do not have a TV remote control. If in case you do, you will have to set up the second settings. If you have more computers that are using 3D Vision, then within the same room, then you have to choose the third option. In the third menu, it asks you to turn on the 3D glasses. If you have a wired version, you don't need to turn it on because it will be on at all times. But the wireless version has got a power button on the left side. Then you have a hardware test where you're looking at this window, the main window on the top, and it makes you do a series of tests. The first one, he asks you to look through the left eye with the right eye closed and see what object do you see on this main square window. At this moment I do see the green object on my left eye, and on the right eye I see the blue object, and then select next. It will ask you if you have any flickers on the glasses. In this case I do have a little issue, and it will make you select several tests. So the best setting for me will be 100 Hz, and then you click next, and it will ask you which are the objects that you're seeing on those two square windows on the right top. In this case I see the first object with the little square right here with my glasses on. You agree the safety information, and then you are set up. The next window that NVIDIA presents is a series of samples that you can see if you do have calibrated the 3D glasses in the proper manner. And once you have everything ready and set in the way that you see proper 3D images, then you can proceed for running 3D applications.